Ndebele or isiNdebele? Which one should you say? Which one is the correct name for the language? So on social media, the arguments continue, right? So I started encountering them when we're doing our advertising on our pages. So we would say something like, come and learn Ndebele with us, right? Or we teach Ndebele. And then people, the Ndebeles, Bagit, would come and say, that's not right. You are supposed to say isiNdebele all the time. So what's the correct thing to say? Should you say Ndebele? Should you say isiNdebele? And the answer is both are correct. Both are correct. It depends on which language you are using. If you are speaking in English, it's okay to call it Ndebele. I speak Ndebele, I'm learning Ndebele, I teach Ndebele. It's all good. But if you are speaking in Ndebele, that's when you always have to say isiNdebele. Here is how you say it. Mina ngiyasithanda isiNdebele. I love Ndebele. Ngifunda isiNdebele. I'm learning Ndebele. Ngifundisa isiNdebele. I'm teaching Ndebele. Right. So that's the difference. So why the difference? In Ndebele, when you're talking about a language, for example, you want to ask, what language are you speaking? You say, ukhuluma isihlobo bani? What language are you speaking, or what language do you speak? Angithi isihlobo, that's the word that's how we say a language. Angithi isihlobo, isihlobo bani les? What language is this? Isihlobo bani leso? What language is that? Right. So because we call it isihlobo, when you're now talking about any language, ukhuluma ngesiNdebele, you say isiShona, isiKhiwa for English, isiNyanja, isiBhemba, isiTswana, isiZulu, isiSuthu, because you are talking about isihlobo esithiwa yisiTonga, yisiTswana, yisikhalanga. Angithi. However, when you're now speaking in English, we always drop all that. I speak Venda, I speak Tswana, I speak Angithi. Same thing ngesiNdebele. So this is not just about Ndebele and English. Even with other languages, it's the same thing, right? Here's another example. In English, we say French. I speak French, right? However, in French, we call it le français, right? Français. So in French, you will say, je parle le français. I speak French. In English, the same sentence, you're going to say, I speak French, right? So these names of languages, they change according to which language you are using in that particular time. Angithi, right? So Ndebele Pride is written in English, but it has a Ndebele word in there. We don't say isiNdebele Pride because the whole phrase is in English, right? Even the way we name our lessons, like find they're written in English, and it would say, for example, how to say sorry in Ndebele. It's written in English, but we're teaching isiNdebele. Why? Because we're speaking to beginners. Bakithi sikhuluma labantu abaqalayo isiNdebele, abasazi isiNdebele. Angithi ngakho ke kufanele ukuthi thina sikhulume labo ngolimi abaluzwayo, wenzela ukuthi sibabise, sibatshengise, sibatshele ukuthi wena uthi a book ngesikhiwa, thina sithini ugwalo ngesiNdebele. We bring them slowly. These are a complete beginner. You can't throw them in and just start talking to them in Ndebele. You talk to them in English. You talk to them in Shona if that's what they understand. You talk to them in Xhosa if that's where they're coming from. And then you say what? You bring them to the language that you're teaching them. Let me know if you get what I'm saying. And if you are disagreeing with what I'm saying, let me know as well. Let me know your points. Let's talk about this. Sikhulumeni ngakho sithini? IsiNdebele sikaMzilikazi yebo. Kodwa nxa ngikhuluma ngesikhiwa ngizakuthi Ndebele. Ngizakuthi Ndebele, and I stand to be corrected. All right, I hope it makes sense. See you next time.